Then check this out.
Ready now?
Hey people, Kiara here from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now the reason why we like promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business is mainly because it's affiliate system. Its affiliate system is 80% recurring income. Not only is it 80%, it's recurring. So you can make a ton of money. You can start a big old income using promoting this system and getting a couple people into it. All right, guys, you get 10 people into it. And they paying income. They paying for all the products. That's a lot of money a month. All right, so guys, so if you're interested in following on, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. All right, so first off, we're gonna look at what we our results, and see how we've been doing. Right now, it looks like we did get a sale yesterday, but we're gonna refresh the page just to make sure here, guys. Don't believe results if people don't refresh the page, especially like real crazy results like thousands of dollars a day. Really don't believe those unless they refresh the page. Don't believe a still frame. It's very easy to change these numbers around. It's so easy, guys. So I want to make sure you understand that when you look at results, a lot of the results you see on YouTube are false and fake for clickbait. All right, guys. All right, so anyway, guys, we're gonna refresh the page here. All right, looks like we did get a sale yesterday.
Nice.
That's fantastic. All right, that's fantastic. So the first thing we want to do is get you your link, guys. That's the first thing we want to do here. So we're gonna wait. This loads up. Okay, we're gonna get you your link right here. Now this is the one that I use personally. I like this link. This is the one I've been using. All right, guys. Now to get this link and get into the system, you just go down. You're gonna see income, or type in incomespeaks.com. Whichever one you want to do, just click on the link in my description, guys. It's gonna take you to this page here. This page right here, it's the sales letter. All right, guys, it basically tells you all about the $25 business. It's a funnel builder, guys. It's $25, so it's a very good product. It helps save some a lot of the money that we get is sent to feed people, so it's kind of a charity as well, you know, if that interests you in any way. Personally, I like charities, but I like charities that are good and actually doing something. I don't know. I don't know for sure they are doing. They say they are, but I don't know for sure. They say they providing food and stuff for kids and stuff like that. But anyway, let's just move on. The point is, you get 20 to 100% monthly commissions for each customer if they get all of the items in this, which is fantastic. Just overly fantastic. So if you're interested in trying this out, guys, all you gotta do is go to Yes I Want In. This is the best affiliate system I have found, period. Like, I don't see nothing any closer to this. You can't make money with this. You can't make money with anything. And we're making money in the simplest way possible. All right, I'll show you in a minute. But anyway, you just put in all your information right here, all this and right that. And I want to show you guys this right here. See, it say $25. Now, if you use my links, guys, use my links, you're gonna get this right here. You're gonna get an option to try this out for 14 days for free. All right, this is training to get your this is training for ads, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, whatever, right? And you have AI technology to help you create the content as well. So this is training for that. It's absolutely fantastic, and you get it free for 2 weeks. But the cool thing about this 2 weeks, you get it free, right? If you happen to get a sale and it gives you $100, right? You keep that $100 because you technically own the product that you just sold. All right, even though you ain't paid no money for it. So you wanna get that. There's literally no reasoning not to get this. All right, and try it, at least try it out. So that's all it is to that, guys. So what we're gonna do now is figure out a way to promote this product once you get your link and stuff. And that is by going to My Lead Gen Secrets, guys. Go to My Lead Gen Secrets. Do all you need to do to log in, guys. Just gonna log in real quick. Sometimes I gotta do it twice. I don't know why, but whatever. I don't really care. But anyway, we're gonna go to the mailing system. Once you log in, you got a ton of leads. You're gonna slowly get a ton of leads over time. All right. So you can, don't worry about how many leads you got. That doesn't really matter. What matters is that you sending emails every day. That's much more important. So anyway, we're just gonna click on this. We're gonna click on one of our emails here that tend to work really well, and this is one of the ones that works really well for me, guys. Making money in my first week. It tends to get a ton of sales. I don't know why, but it works really well for me. So if you want to copy it, just pause the video. I'm gonna show the whole email real quick, so you can just pause it at any time. This is where you put your link, guys. This is where you're gonna put your link at. Make sure to hit perfect timing. What that does is send an email around time people usually check their emails, depending on the person, right? That's in your system. So we're gonna go to preview first. And once you go to preview, you wanna make sure to click on this and make sure your link works. And it goes to your sales letter here. It goes to this sales letter. All right. Once you make sure that works, just send the email. You're done, guys. That's all it takes. Very simple and very easy. It only took me about 5 or 6 minutes to do this, and I'm explaining everything for you guys. And once you get your emails into the system here, all you really need to do is just come here, send the email, done. That's all you really need to do, guys. Or you can also copy what I'm doing here and talk about doing it and showing YouTube you doing it as well. Probably get some more sales with that as well. Maybe here and there. I've gotten YouTube sales here and there, but not too many. But it that works as well, and you can really build up an income here. Now, if I were to try to make sales on, like, say, YouTube, I'd probably go with little shorts. I'll probably do a bunch of shorts. But YouTube heavily optimizes shorts at the moment. So you make shorts, you make a ton of them, make 3 of them a day or something like that. And, you'll really scale pretty well, I think. Just make a bunch of different shorts with little quotes up there, like, I don't know, like, if you broke, do this, you'll make a ton of money, whatever, right? And stuff like that, whatever, simple jokes or whatever it may be. And I post a bunch of them on YouTube and make it a shorts channel. That's what I think I'd do to get sales on it, if I really wanted to, like that. But I'll show you guys how to do it one day. But anyway, guys, that's all there is for today. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.